and welcome again to McDonald's Nuvali. This is McDonald's Philippines 700th store in the country, and it's our flagship store which features a redesign. So it's one of our more beautiful store designs. So great that we have our event here today, so our Chicken Flavor Fest. Okay, so before I begin, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of some of our partners, without which we will not have this event today. And I want to, of course, call out and recognize our partners from Lipton. So, wave here. So what makes our partnership with Lipton so special that I needed to, of course, recognize them this evening? It is because it is McDonald's first time to partner and co-create a special McDonald's only beverage together with Lipton. So we're very, very excited for everyone to taste our Lipton Cool Berry starting tomorrow. So later you'll find out more about what this Lipton Cool Berry is all about. So thank you again, our partners from Lipton, and welcome to McDonald's officially. Welcome to McDonald's. Okay, so talk about a little bit about Lipton and this being a 700 store. Of course, I'd like to give a little bit of an update on McDonald's Philippines. So as I mentioned, we are opening a lot of new stores, 750 stores to date. We opened 50 new stores in 2023, and we will be opening at least 65 more stores this 2024. And aside from us opening more stores, it's really our commitment that we make the food that our customers enjoy in our new stores even better. So we didn't stop by making sure that our chicken McDo is actually better, bigger, much juicier, much malaki. But we are actually expanding our commitment to be better to our other chicken products, namely our McNuggets and our McChicken. I used to call it McChicken sandwich, by the way, but it's now just McChicken. Okay, just a show of hands. Sino dito ang may love ng nuggets? Wow! Okay. Sino dito ang may mga anak na love din ang chicken nuggets? Medyo bumawas. I'll raise my hand up also. So yes, actually McNuggets is a very, very popular product to both kids and adults. And what makes McNuggets so good is, of course, the quality of our nuggets, 100% chicken breast, and paired perfectly with our classic barbecue sauce. Who loves the barbecue sauce with the nuggets?
Me.
Okay. So if you love the barbecue McNugget sauce, wait till you try our 3 new nugget sauces later on. But of course, I will not preempt that yet. Okay. So I just wanted to say a few things. Of course, thank you to our friends from the media who has always been supportive of us. We're already halfway through the year, and we've seen you in many of our events supporting us. Maraming salamat po. And of course, to our content creators whose creativity is really so inspiring and very, very exciting for us. Thank you so much for joining us, not just this evening, but as well for our other events. So tuloy-tuloy lang ang McDonald's in ensuring we give you the best customer experience, delight you with our new menu offers, and just keep getting better for you. So with that, good evening everyone.